Gross fixed capital formation measures the net increase in physical assets or infrastructure in a country. And the ratio of gross fixed capital formation to GDP for Africa stood at about 9.5% in 1985. Other countries were sitting on 15.6%. Now, remember, these other countries are coming off a higher infrastructure base and they're coming off bigger economies. So the African continent was actually regressing and the gap was getting bigger and bigger. Whilst gross fixed capital formation has improved in the recent past, it is still inadequate. If we compare a number of African countries with developed countries, it really brings home this point. So in South Africa, gross fixed capital formation in 2011 was about 18.97% and 19.16% in 2012. If we're to contrast that with India, India was 30.63% in 2011 and 29.59% in 2012. If you had to take a look at Kenya, Kenya's gross fixed capital formation was 20.4% in 2011 and roughly the same in 2012. If we're to contrast that with China, China's was 45.59% in 2011 and 46.82% in 2012. You can go through these stats in your own time. The point we want to make here is Africa is spending significantly less than other developing countries on developing its infrastructure, and as a result, it is way behind the rest of the world from an infrastructure development perspective.